Hi everyone, a very happy new year. Welcome to Kitabi Cabins. I am Pratika. Here I am with a list and categories of literature that I want to explore in 2026, and I will start with the first one that I'm most excited about, which is essays. I read this essay which is a very terrifying essay. Washington Post pe hai ye. It is called Fatal Distraction. Is it a crime to leave a child at the backseat of your car? And this is a journalistic essay where they are investigating case because it happens to real people, more common than you can imagine, that people actually forget their child at the backseat of the car, which leads to death of the child because of hypothermia. What interested me most was the moral and the legal ambiguity part, कि कैसे कुछ जगह पे कुछ चीजें माफ हो जाती हैं और किसी जगह नहीं होती हैं. Essays are a good litmus test. They will tell you whether or not you're interested in a particular writing style or a topic. They can also give you an angled perspective on the topic that you're already familiar with, and they can spark a curiosity कि अच्छा इसको तो मैंने इस डायरेक्शन से कभी देखा ही नहीं. Let's explore more on that. I'm reading a lot of George Orwell. तो उन्हीं का एक ऐसे है which is Shooting an Elephant. There is also An Indian Way of Thinking by A.K. Ramanujan. There is Common Sense by Thomas Paine. There is also a collection of essays by David Foster Wallace. उनके मैंने singular essays पढ़े, but there is also one collection which is called Consider the Lobster, which I want to read in 2026. Moving on to the next category, जैसा मैंने बोला कि essays can make you interested in a certain topic. फिर आप कोई किताब पढ़ सकते हो. I like non-fiction which are very niche oriented. The one that I'm reading, it's right here, which is The Second Sex by Simone de Beauvoir. Ever since my childhood, every time I have found myself getting a hold on the definition of feminism, or just what it means to be a female, what it means to be a woman in the 21st century. The syllabus changes, and I find myself always a version behind of the current scenarios, and it's very irritating. Knocks Simone de Beauvoir on my door in a form of a very neatly packaged Amazon book parcel, and she's already challenging every notion, every definition of feminism that I have, and I'm only on the introduction, which is a very thorough introduction, and she's arguing how women are meant to feel inferior to the main sex, the male sex, how history and class and religion and politics and social norms have made women feel that way, how women are always regarded as relative to a man, hence the second sex, the other sex. And she's arguing on that, and let's see what the book has in store for me. Then I'll be reading a lot of Bill Bryson this year. There is one on America, there's one on Australia, there's one on Shakespeare, and only when I've read those and when I achieve a few more goals, then only I will go and buy a very nice copy of Short History of Nearly Everything. The other one is Why Zebras Do Not Get Ulcers by Robert Sapolsky. Here Sapolsky is talking about that how zebras, they assess their pain, they assess their stress. कैसे एक जानवर उनका पीछा कर रहा होता है, एक शेर उनके पीछे भाग रहा होता है, वो अपने आप को बचाते हैं, एंड वंस दे फाइंड देमसेल्व्स फिजिकली फाइन कि अब हमें कोई खतरा नहीं है, देयर स्ट्रेस जस्ट गोज अवे, इट जस्ट लीव्स देयर बॉडी एंड माइंड, व्हिच डज नॉट हैपन टू ह्यूमंस. वी स्ट्रेस आउट बाय रिमेंबरिंग द इवेंट्स दैट अकर टू अस, hence we get more ulcers, more heart diseases. That's what weakens our immune system. It causes anxiety and depression. So basically in this book he's breaking down the biology of stress hormones. Now coming to fiction में I'm including short stories पढ़नी है, graphic novels पढ़नी है. This is a genre that I have not stepped into. मैंने नहीं पढ़ी हैं graphic novels. तो अगर आपके पास हैं इस कैटेगरी की किताबें तो आप प्लीज़ मुझे बताएं. I'm also reading The Brothers Karamazov. It's been I think half a year जब मैंने ये किताब उठाई थी, और मैं ये ऐसे पढ़ रही हूँ जैसे कोई मेरा इम्तिहान ही लेने बैठ जाएगा इस किताब के ऊपर. मैं नोट्स बना रही हूँ कि क्या क्या कैरेक्टर आ चुका है सारे भाइयों में. The other ones that I do know that I will read is Augustus and Butcher's Crossing by John Williams. John Williams की Stoner पढ़ी थी मैंने, जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत किताब है, and I was just waiting for it to wear out from me. I just wanted to, not let it affect any other book that I read by the same author. So now I think it's a good time and I will pick John Williams. There is also Madonna in a Fur Coat. There is also Parinde by Nirmal Verma. मोटा मोटी यही किताबें हैं, यही essays हैं जो मुझे पढ़ने हैं. I want to read a love story, a romantic story which will not make me hopeless, which will not make me question the contemporary world that we live in, sometimes it can be overwhelming. तो ऐसा नहीं चाहिए. I actually like romance as a subplot rather than a 350 pages of just a love story. I think I'm past that. So yeah, this is my vision for 2026 and I hope that it goes well. I'll keep you updated with my reading journey. हमारा एक बुक क्लब है, चलचित्र बुक क्लब. उस पे सब आते हैं, सब जो किताबें पढ़ रहे होते हैं रोज़, हर हफ्ते, हर महीने वो बताते हैं. प्लीज़ डू कंसिडर बिकमिंग अ मेंबर. हम हर महीने एक किताब पिक करते हैं एंड एवरीबडी रीड्स इट. जो नहीं भी पढ़ पाते हैं, दे जॉइन द डिस्कशन टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द मंथ. यू कैन फाइंड द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. यू कैन कंसिडर बिकमिंग अ मेंबर. वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ गुड डिस्कशंस ओवर देयर एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. होप you have a good one. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.